Hello, I'm Philip Hepler, and today we are exploring some of the uses of grayscale images in Illustrator. Specifically, I'll be working with a pencil sketch and a watercolor texture that I've scanned and colored in Illustrator, as you can see here. The great thing about using grayscale images in Illustrator is that you can assign and change colors quickly while preserving the tonal effects of your sketch or texture. And of course, this allows you to combine your tonal textures and sketches with vector elements. To start with, I have this watercolor texture that I've scanned and opened in Photoshop. As you can see, it has a white background by default, and I want to delete this white background while preserving the tonal feel of the watercolor. First, I'm going to make sure that my scan is a grayscale image, and it is. Next, I'm going to go to the Channels tab, and you can see since it's a grayscale image, there's just one channel, and that's the gray channel. I'm going to command click on this channel, and what it's going to do is select all of the white areas of the channel. Then I'm going to go to select inverse, and you can either go to the menu to do this or hit the quick shortcut key for it, select inverse, and it's going to select all the dark images, or dark areas rather, of the image. Now I'm going to go back to the layers tab and make a new layer, and I'm going to turn off the background layer. And now I'm going to fill my selection with black. As you can see, it's filled all the selection with black, and the background is transparent. So now I can save this file as either a Photoshop file or a PNG file. So I'll do that now. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing with my pencil sketch of my dinosaur. I've got my dinosaur. I'm going to go to make sure it is a grayscale image because there's just gray in the channels. I'm going to command select the gray channel, go to my layers, make a new layer, turn off the background, select inverse, and fill with black. I'm going to save that. Now with that Photoshop work done, I can go to Illustrator now and place in my sketch and my watercolor texture. As you can see, the tonal values of both the sketch and the watercolor texture are intact, and it has a transparent background. That's exactly what we wanted. Now we can apply color to these. I'm just going to drag this watercolor here just to scale it a little bit and show you how to apply color. Now this is very important, this next step. You can apply spot color to a grayscale image in Illustrator and change the color at will, but it does not work with process color. So as you can see, this green color has a little icon here that means it's spot. If I try to use a process color, it'll just remain black. So it's anytime you're using grayscale images in Illustrator, you have to make sure you're using spot colors for this technique to work. If you're not sure if your color is spot or not, if you forget about the little icon, you can always double click on a color and make any color spot just by selecting it here, and it'll change it to a spot color, and then you can use it. So now I can take my sketch and my watercolor, start to play with it, and arrange it how I want. So that's it. You can use this technique on your custom textures, sketches, and images to be used with your vector graphics in Illustrator. Thanks for watching.